Describe a scary incident. One scary incident I experienced was when I got lost in the market. I was with my parents, but we got separated. I couldn't find them for a few minutes, and I felt very scared. Luckily, I found them soon, but it was a very stressful experience. Was the incident scary? Yes, it was. Did you experience a scary incident? Yes, I did. What kind of incident did I experience? A scary one. Who experienced a scary incident? I did. Did I experience a funny or scary incident? A scary incident. Did you experience a scary or boring incident? A scary incident. Did I tell you about a happy incident? No, you didn't. Did I get lost in the market? Yes, you did. Where did I get lost? In the market. Did you get lost in the school or the market? In the market. Were you lost in the market? Yes, I was. What happened in the market? I got lost. Did I get lost or go shopping? You got lost. Who got lost in the market? You did. Were you with your parents? Yes, I was. Who were you with? My parents. Were you alone or with your parents? With my parents. Were your parents with you? Yes, they were. Was I with friends or parents? With your parents. Did I go to the market alone? No, you didn't. Who was I with at the beginning? Your parents. Did you get separated from your parents? Yes, I did. Did we stay together or get separated? We got separated. Who got separated? We did. Were you separated from your parents? Yes, I was. Did we get separated at home? No, at the market. Was it scary when you got separated? Yes, it was. Did I stay close to my parents? No, you didn't. Could you find your parents quickly? No, I couldn't. How long couldn't you find them? For a few minutes. Did you find your parents immediately? No, I didn't. Who couldn't I find? Your parents. Could I see them right away? No, you couldn't. Could you find them after a few minutes? Yes, I could. Were they easy to find? No, they weren't. Did you feel happy? No, I didn't. How did you feel? Very scared. Did you feel scared or calm? Scared. Who felt scared? I did. Was I excited or scared? Scared. Did you feel very scared? Yes, I did. Did you feel scared when you were lost? Yes, I did. Did you find them? Yes, I did. Who did you find? My parents. Did I find them or stay lost? You found them. Did you find them quickly? Yes, I did. Was I lucky to find them? Yes, you were. How soon did you find them? Soon. Did I find them after a long time? No, not a long time.